Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on QNT. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big breakout from this down channel, and the price line is rejected by this resistance of $190, and it has formed this smaller rising wedge pattern that is, by the way, more visible on the daily time frame chart. And in today's video, we will also take a look at this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my last successful trade setup of QNT that I shared with my members. That was a harmonic bullish reversal garlic pattern that QNT was forming on the 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair, and I shared this idea on in the month of September 2022, and you can see it was moving at $358, and I told my members that the final leg can be from the $342 and goes to $322. Therefore we can wait for the price line to drop more down, and once it will be entered this potential reversal zone, then we can expect a pump from here. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line nicely completed the final leg of this garlic pattern that was formed on this 4-hour time frame chart. And after the completion of this garlic pattern, you can see here it completed the leg, then it reversed very well, and after hitting the sell target zone that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this garlic move, the price line again moved down. Now let's move to this 5-weekly time frame chart, and here we had already had a very big development that the price line has already broken out a very big down trend line resistance of this down channel, and that was, by the way, from this low of June 2022 up till this high of October 2022. That was more than 460% pump, and here the price line again rejected by this resistance of $190. And if we watch the previous history, then previously this level has been working as a resistance here and resistance here as well. Therefore again, it worked as a strong resistance for the price line, and the price line is moving down. And during this move to the downside, and during this correction move to the upside, it has formed another rising wedge pattern. Now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, this is the rising wedge pattern that I want to show you. And by the way, that can be another head and shoulder pattern as well. It is also possible that the price line may form inverse head and shoulder pattern. If it will break down the support of this rising wedge pattern, then it can complete the right shoulder, and once it will be able to break down the neckline of this expected inverse head and shoulder pattern, then a quite big drop can be possible from here. However, we have a very big bullish divergence on the weekly time frame chart. We can see here price line is forming higher low than previous low. At the same time, you can see RSI is moving in the opposite direction, and it is forming lower than previous low. So there is a quite big hidden bullish divergence on this weekly time frame chart, and due to this hidden bullish divergence signal, it is possible that the price line may break out this resistance of the rising wedge pattern. Now if the price line breaks out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern, then our target to the upside can be approximately at $166. That is showing that the projection between these two resistance levels, one is starting from $155 and the second one is at $190. And we can see previously this complete zone from $155 to $190 has been working as a strong resistance and support zone. Therefore, there is a probability that after this breakout from this rising wedge pattern, if the price line will be able to break it out, then the price line may also break out this strong resistance zone as well, or at least it can make a powerful attempt to break it out. And the final target for this bigger down channel that is still due after this breakout, even though we have rallied more than 450%, but so far this target is due, that is here at the top of the channel, that is approximately at $430. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.